All right. It's Brian Farrell, and I'm back. So today we're going to get into another way we make the passive income here in 2021. And before we get into the fun stuff, got to take care of the business. Disclaimers on the screen. Not your financial advisor. Read through it. Never spend money you can't afford to lose. You know the deal. Let's get that money, baby. So today we're going to discuss how to earn passive cryptocurrency with Binance Coin. That's BNB. Now, as you see here on CoinMarketCap, Binance Coin's #3 crypto in the world. Right now, it's $535. And the cool thing about Binance Coin and about most cryptocurrency coins is that it does follow the trend of Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes up, other coins go up. When Bitcoin goes down, other coins go down. Bitcoin has been going down recently, so the prices have been coming down, and so it makes it easier for us to get into new opportunities like I'm going to show you today. This one is going to be earning Binance Coin passively using a DeFi protocol called farming. Okay, so we're going to be doing some yield farming, and the way we're going to do that was with a simple new program. All right, so with StakeBNB, today we're going to show you how to stake your BNB and earn passive BNB rewards without having to do any work at all, and just put the money in and come back and reap your rewards later on. Very simple program. Let's go ahead and show you how it works. Okay, this is DeFi yield farming. Okay, redefined. So this says that we provide members with a sophisticated algorithmic system to generate hourly farming rewards on staked BNB assets. The entire process is automated and managed on your behalf. You stake in a few clicks and you earn BNB yields with auto farming technology. Farming rewards are automatically distributed to your wallet each hour. Now, that is to your internal wallet here on the site, not your external wallet. Okay, so we'll get into that later. Now, you'll enjoy daily percentage yields up to 1.25% per day on your BNB assets. All right, so it's very easy to do. Step one, we're going to stake. We have plans to suit all members. You can stake your BNB from only 0.1 BNB. Position is then activated to start farming. That's all you gotta do. Just start making your amount that you want to deposit or invest in BNB, starting at 0.1 BNB. Start earning it. Step two, you take advantage of auto farming technology and start receiving DeFi profits each hour. You can also boost the speed with the daily percentage and your daily percentage yield. Okay. Then step three, you can restake and cycle your position again. Each cycle will more than double your BNB and grow your BNB profits even faster with no limits. So you hear that? So we're going to actually have a way to double your BNB with this very simple program of farming BNB. Uh, so your BNB profits on every hour. So the DeFi sector exploding right now. It's one of the biggest drivers for members who want to accumulate more crypto. Members can gain access to our automated farming technology, where you can stake your assets in a liquidity pool from only 0.1 BNB and watch its growth performance in real time. You get access to optimal boosts, and it basically says you're going to find more ways to earn. Okay. So why let your assets sit idle? When sitting in your wallet, we can put them to work for you. Okay. This is a great way to strategically earn um, by investing into these dApps and exchanges, so you can actually get passive money to your internal wallet, and then you can then withdraw that to your external wallet. Okay. If you decide to share this program, you don't have to share, but if you decide to share, the commissions are as follows. You are qualified to earn commissions each time a member in your team stakes their BNB. You must have an active stake to continue to earn commissions from your team. And these are the levels you'll earn on: 5% at level 1, 3% level 2, 2% level 3, 1% level 4, and then 5%, 0.5% on level 5. Okay. That's if you decide that you want to actually share this with some of the people, which I'm sure you probably will, but you don't have to. Now, you will also qualify to earn commissions each time a member in your team buys a farm boost package. Okay. Now, you must have an active stake and a farm boost package to earn commissions from your team. Okay, here you're going to have the percentages again: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down to level 5. Okay, so if you decide to boost your earnings, then you can earn off of your team members' boost as well. There's also a third way to earn. Okay, this is by the Farming Boost bonus pool. Okay, 25% of all global sales split equally between members who qualify. Your qualification: you must have an active BNB stake, at least 10 BNB, and a Farm Boost package to earn residual bonus paid every week, which is on Friday. Okay, so this is your third option to earn passive BNB from this site. All right. Fourth way to earn the team share bonus. Withdrawal rewards are paid instantly to you from all active members in your downline. Each time a member in your network initiates a withdrawal, a bonus split is immediately shared with your BNB, with you in BNB. These micropayments can occur 100s, even 1,000s of times each month. And here are the levels where you get these bonus rewards here. All right. Now you have a fifth way. You have your rank bonuses. Okay. You have the opportunity to grow your stake BNB and earn big BNB bonuses along the way. Qualifications: you must personally have an active stake to claim your bonus. Only stakes and upgrades in your team are eligible to unlock each rank bonus. And you see, here's all the different ways to earn. Okay. So if you have 100 BNB volume within your downline, then you'll actually earn 1 BNB reward. 250 BNB volume, you'll have 2.5 as your BNB award, and so forth and so on, as you can see here on the screen. Okay. They do provide live streams. Keep an eye on your stake and track its progress in real time. Grow your BNB faster. Buy a farm boost and watch the yields uplift. And see how much BNB you can grow each hour. A live stream network. As a member, you'll have access to a live activity feed running in real time. This gives you a snapshot of all activity in your network, earnings, bonuses, missed commissions, new members, rankings, and more. And that is our StakeBNB. So I got into this just less than 24 hours ago, and I'm going to go ahead and show you my account here now, and then we're actually going to go ahead and do an update as well, okay? So I've been in less than 24 hours, and let me just go back to the home screen here. All right, and as you see, I started out with just the basics. I just want to give it a taste to see how it's gonna run. So I came in with the bare minimum, 0.1 BNB, and I did this just under 24 hours ago. And at this time, I have now earned 0.81%, which they said it would earn up to 1.25% per day. And this is the internal wallet balance I've accumulated here. Haven't referred anyone to the program yet. But this is a great little way to earn BNB passively. And other information you see here, if you go here to stake, this is where you can stake, see all the different options. You see to get invested. You can also upgrade. Like I said, when I got in at 0.1, that's $53 worth. If you upgrade to 0.25, that's 134. 0.5 BNB, 1 BNB, 2.5, and it goes all the way up to 100 BNB. Okay. And it also tells you what your current stake is, your upgrade to the next level, amount that you have staked, and your new stake reward will be 0.625. Okay, so if I actually go up to this level here, then it'll put my new rewards at 0.625 BNB. Okay, and now you're not needing to connect your wallet to this. You're simply going to register using the link below this video. You do need to provide your email address, your real email address, and then you're going to actually receive an email to that email address so you can verify and validate your email address, and that will activate your account. So just make sure you do provide your real email address and decide how much that you want to stake here. Like I said, you don't need to refer anybody. You can actually earn passively without referring. And then if we come back over to the wallet, it'll show you exactly what you have in the wallet currently, what you've withdrawn, any bonuses like that. Like I said, just getting started, so I want to show you guys this really quick. The minimum to withdraw is going to be $10, and so I'll go ahead and show you that here. If you click on withdraw, it says tell minimum to withdraw $10. Okay, so once this reaches $10 earned right here, you can make your first withdrawal. But what I'm going to do today is real quick. I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of the boost, and it says you're currently not earning at the highest rate. Now, clicking on boost here tells you can boost your plan. You earn the highest farming rewards on our liquidity pool, which equals earn more and cycle faster. Did you know that each farming pool has different percentage yields from each other? By boosting your plan, we distribute your BNB assets to the highest paying farms. This means your stake can perform at its optimum rate and you will earn more BNB each day. This is an option to cycle businesses even faster at a single one-off cost. So the update for the boost is a one-time payment of $10. One time, that's all. Okay. Your stake will earn at the highest rates possible. So I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of that because I see that as being a very low cost way to boost your earnings and more. And we'll go ahead and take advantage of that now. So let's boost here. And what this is simply going to do is it's going to actually provide us with a website address for us to use to send them the BNB. All right, so this is the address to use to do the update here. So basically tells you you're just going to copy this address and you're going to send this amount of BNB, which is currently going to be $10 worth. And here's the fees here. So it's going to be 1.884, which is a total cost of 1.886 because it does include the fees here. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll send this out now. And we're going to send this from my wallet here. And it does also say, make sure to send total amount of BNB to the address above. Ensure the network is a Binance Smart Chain. Will not be responsible for any incorrect network use. So definitely make sure you're using the Binance Smart Chain. Like I've been showing you guys previously, most everything with BNB now is going on the Binance Smart Chain because it's very fast and inexpensive to use. Let's go ahead and get this money upgraded now. All right, so simply just going to click the little copy button right here. Address has been copied. We'll go over to the wallet. I currently have a little bit of BNB in the MetaMask, and I'm going to choose to send. I'm then going to paste the address in here, verify the first few characters, and we'll verify the last few. And then we'll go ahead and put in this amount of BNB right here, 0.0188434. Okay. And then this is a new network address. I'm going to go ahead and add to the address book here. We'll call this BNB Stake. And that way I can reference it easier there in the future. And I'm going to send this total amount here from my wallet to this address here so we can go ahead and take advantage of the boost. The gas fees here on the BNB Smart Chain, like I said, it's very inexpensive. If you ever wanted to verify that, you can come back to CoinMarketCap. So let's see, we got we'll go ahead and verify. Let's see how much these fees are here, because I know it's very inexpensive. Jump back over to CoinMarketCap, click on Binance Coin, and then just scroll down here to the Binance Coin amount. We'll go ahead and paste that amount. So the fee there is 5 cents, okay, 5.5 cents. So we'll just go ahead and jump back over, StakeBNB, and then we will make sure we got, like I said, verify the first few characters, last four ending in 46F. Go back into the wallet. All right, and we'll go ahead and confirm our amount here. All right, and so we go into the 0xc 46F. We'll give that a few moments to go through. No need to speed it up because this is a pretty quick transaction. All right, it's been confirmed as you see there. All right, and then we'll go ahead and jump back here and we'll choose close. Okay, if you've sent the funds for this transaction, you can close this window. So we'll go ahead and close that and give it just a moment here to update on the profile. All right, so the boost has been updated. It now says your farm boost is now active and your current stake is earning at the highest percentage rewards. And as you can see here, the recent activity got started yesterday with the active stake on the first level, and now got my boost activated. So now I'm going to earn faster there. So that's pretty much it. That's how you get to get 4 different ways of earning Binance Coin passively. It's a great way to earn Binance Coin without having to do any hard work at all. Just come in here and stake your money, your BNB, and then you'll actually earn the rewards and get your actual staked BNB back at the end of your your staking period. Okay, so staking period can vary depending on the rates of the market and everything. You want to earn up to 1.25% per day, but as you see here, the 0.1 BNB that I actually invested was actually going to return as 0.25 BNB total. So I think this is a great opportunity for you to take advantage of. And I'll show you real quick how to get started. Below this video will see the link. You just click on that and go ahead and make sure that you have BNB in your wallet on the Binance Smart Chain network. It's very important. You must use the Binance Smart Chain network. And I'll just show you the registration process here really quick. If you go to marketing, you'll be able to see the marketing options. You have your banners, you have your video about how this program works, and your PDF that we went over earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll go ahead and show you how this all works out. All right, so when you first come to the website, you'll see this site here. You can watch the quick little 1 minute 33-second video there. It tells you all about everything that we went over earlier, and it's very simple. Just hit get started. You'll then put in your email address. We'll go ahead and key this info in here. And now we've put in our email address. We've chosen our username, password. Put in twice. Choose your country. Click register. And then what's going to happen next, it says just one more thing, confirm your account by checking your email address. So we'll jump right over and we'll check the email real quick. All right, here's the email that you receive. You're simply going to click referral now. And then once you're logged in, you're on the basic setup screen here. And it's very simple to go ahead and get started. Welcome to the members area. To begin generating passive income and BNB each hour, you must first stake your BNB. Just click on stake. Very simple to do. You're going to choose the amount that you want to stake, and each one will tell you how much you're going to receive in farming rewards. So like I did the 0.1 on my other account, this will earn 0.25 BNB. If you go with 0.25, that'll earn 0.625. If you put a half a BNB in, you're going to get back 1.25 BNB, and it just keeps going on and on up to 100 BNB. You put in 100 BNB, and you will receive back 250 BNB. So this is, and then you just click Stake BNB. Once you click Stake BNB, it just basically tells you, the address to use. You'll copy that, put that to your wallet, and then you'll also know the exact amount of BNB to send from your wallet on the Binance Smart Chain. So you can go ahead and start earning this BNB passively. Then they have the 4 different ways you can earn BNB here with the yield farming known as the BNB stake. Okay, so you got the information, you know what to do. Look below the video, click on the link, decide how much you want to invest, get started, get paid in BNB every hour. It's a great little program. I'm excited about this. It's brand new. It hasn't been out for just a couple of days here, and I think it's going to be really, really wonderful. I've used other BNB platforms before that earn passively, but this one's actually yield farming, which is a very, very easy way to earn BNB passively, and you're going to get paid every single hour, those rewards, okay? So now you can go ahead and reach the end of the video. You can hit that smash the like button so you can go ahead and let me know that you've liked how I show you how to make the passive income like we do each and every day. Hit the subscribe button so you can add to my YouTube channel and get notified when I drop new videos by smashing the bell icon. And of course, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the video I'm showing today. And just let me know if you have any questions or concerns about it. It's easy to understand, very simple program, pretty new. Do your own due diligence, decide what works for you, and let's get paid in 2021 on a 2022. Brian Farrell getting that BNB, baby, and I'm out. Peace.